All right, here we are. We're going to review what we can do as chiropractors, and specifically corrective care chiropractors, to help with headaches. You know, so many of our patients are dealing with chronic headaches. They're just continuing. They're trying the over-counter medication, the Tylenol, the Advils. They talk to their doctors, they're getting stronger medications, they're taking supplements, they're getting massage, they're getting acupuncture. You know, some of them are even getting chiropractic, but the headaches keep reoccurring. So I want to share with you today what we do here at Corrective Spinal Care of California to help with headaches. So we're going to check Adolfo, we're going to check the bones in the neck. There's 7 bones in the neck, and more specifically we're going to talk about the very, very top one, which is called the atlas. So the atlas has control of the entire nervous system. So think of your brain talking to your body. Well, the brain is sending signals to the body, and the body's sending signals into the brain, and the atlas is the main conduit to allow that flow of information. So we want to make sure that that very top bone, that atlas, is in its absolute perfect position. And any misalignment or subluxation away from that normal alignment can give rise to headaches, to insomnia, vertigo, high blood pressure, migraines, ADHD, seizures. The list goes on and on. So if you or someone you know are suffering from headaches, please reach out to a corrective care chiropractor, reach out to us, let's see if we can help. So first, what we're going to do with Adolfo, we've already done our examination. We've did x-rays from the front, standing digital x-rays, and then from the side, and we assess exactly where the problem is. Now we're going to show you how we make our adjustment. So we're first going to feel each of the 7 bones in the neck. And so we can feel right there. So we're going to make our adjustment. Look over that shoulder. There we go. So that's that very, very top bone that controls all the blood to the brain. So that was our atlas adjustment. Please, if someone you know is hurting, like this video, subscribe, send it to someone you care. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, Adolfo.
Thank you.
All right.